I want to talk this morning entitled, My Choice is Clear. Your choice must be clear before you head to the polls. You need to know today and make sure that your choice is clear. I have three choices that I have made them clear to myself, and I want to make them clear to you and help you to make these choices clear for yourself. Number one, my choice as a Christian is clear. As a Christian, my choice is clear. Jesus is my choice. The kingdom of God is my choice. Good governance in godly principles is my choice. Is my choice. A party or an independent party that protects the church, that is willing to work with the church, is my choice. Any party, any candidate that is not ashamed to be known and identify with Christ in politics is my choice. All those that have felt the call of God to go in politics and influence the world and our nation positively with Christian biblical principle and of course constitution is my choice as a Christian. For non-Christians, they have choices. There are those who will choose. Their choice is clear. They will not choose anyone who will not support their lifestyle. For those that believe and have a persuasion of an alternative lifestyle, their choice is clear. They will not vote for Christian. They will not vote for anyone who will not uphold, who will not protect their rights. As a Christian, my choice is clear. Any candidate, any political party that upholds the Bible, God's principles, good governance, good morals, it is my choice. So if you are listening to this recording, you belong to whatever party. If you fit in this choice, tomorrow you may get my vote if you only fit in my choice. I don't apologize. I don't need to hide my choice. It's clear. My choice as a citizen of South Africa. As a citizen, my choice is clear. Any party that protects the rights of the unborn babies is my choice. You are my choice. If you protect the rights of unborn babies, you are my choice. If you uphold good family, good values, you are my choice. You are my choice. But you are not my choice. You are not my choice. Any party that treats documented foreigners the same way as they treat South Africans, you are my choice. Any party that sounds and promotes xenophobic, you are not my choice. You are not my choice. Any party, any candidate that promotes South Africa, you can live anywhere. You can have business. You can succeed if you have the capability, irrespective of race, color, tribe. You are my choice. But anyone that discriminates against black, white, against tribe, against gender, you are not my choice. Any political leader that is focused, motivated by service delivery, you are my choice. But any party that is xenophobic in their utterances is not my choice. Even if you may have biblical values or principles, but if you miss on this one, you are not my choice. Any party that is decisive in dealing with crime, in dealing with corruption, you are my choice as a citizen. Any party that puts the nation first more than their party, you are my choice. Any political party, any candidate that puts the welfare, the well-being of the nation, of the poor, of the underprivileged, you are my choice. If you put people first, you are my choice. If not, you are not my choice. I don't hate you, but you are not my choice. In this election, you are not my choice. Any party that will uphold Christian values, morals, you are my choice. I end with this. My choice as an affiliate to a political party. My party is my choice regardless of whether they win or they don't win. They are my choice. Bona fide members. Whether the party is going down, whether the party is messing up, bona fide, they choose the party at the expense of the nation. But I say to you, even in that, still speak out, still condemn things that are not working out. Don't just follow blindly. Any party that promises to treat everyone equally, irrespective of race or color, is my choice. These elections is a matter of consideration. Even if you voted for one party for 5 elections, this time demands that you reconsider your choice. May the Lord bless you. May the Lord guide you. May the Lord help you to choose and be proud of your choice. That will make a difference in the nation and not sink in the nation.